I took my little GR86 to Automotive Chemistry Detailing off the North Loop 286 in Paris, Texas, just to go visit and see what John was working on. Here we go. Hey, hello, how are you? Welcome to Road Odyssey. I am Burke. Hope you're having a fantastic day. And I am at Automotive Chemistry Detailing. And this is where John Cunningham takes, well, cars that need a little TLC and makes them look beautiful, like this big old pickup truck behemoth right behind me here. John's hard at work. Let's take a look at what he's doing. And here is John Cunningham, always a smile on his face. Yep, Automotive Chemistry Detailing, John Cunningham. There's his phone number on the business card. And you can find him on Facebook as well as a Google search. Now, you might find his website as well. What I would prefer you find is his shop and go inside. It is well set up and it is very accommodating. But really and truly, when you go, what you want to see is John himself. Now, I've gone to see John a few times. Did this first video. Look that up if you want to have a little fun. And this video, if you really want to watch a time-lapse, good car wash and detailing job. I really enjoyed it. Just like I enjoyed looking at this race car, dirt track race car that was getting ready to get some work done on it. And a little bit of a distraction as John was getting hard to work on this wonderful truck. If you ever wonder why, it can just be rather expensive to have a vehicle detailed. This is a great example. There's a lot of real estate here. And there's more in the details when you start looking at the paint of most cars. There's blemishes, scratches, just, rock chips, things like that can easily be repaired by a good detailer like John. You may not be able to see it, but I did get a picture when we looked really close at the paint of a couple of the blemishes in this paint job. There were several. Aside from the blemishes, which to me are, when you can really see them, they're sort of like age spots on somebody's skin. But in addition, there were nothing but millions of scratch marks in this paint or the top coat that was extremely distracting. It really needed to be buffed out bad, real bad. So that was the main theme of the job in this case. And this is probably a 2-day job at least. It takes a lot of time to get this kind of work done. Be aware too that any really good detailer like John is going to get out his lights and look at the paint when he's finished to verify that everything is just right. And the lights that they use, they can switch them to different types of lighting, white light, regular light, kind of an ultraviolet light, I guess, something. Anyway, they're cool lights, and it enables them to really inspect the paint once they're done going over it. Well, I hope you learned a little bit more about automotive detailing in John's shop, Automotive Chemistry Detailing. I always have a good time when I go there to visit. So thank you very much for watching this Road Odyssey video. Y'all have a great day. Relax, take it easy, and I will see you later. Bye.